Okay, having this question to simplify using the law of indices. The first thing I want to do is that you can remove 11 since you have 22 and 33, and the common factor between them is 11 automatically. Hence, you can have what? 2 to the power what? 2 times 11 times what? 3 times 3 times 11. From the basic principle of indices, we know that a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m order to the power n. Hence, applying it here, we're going to be having what? 2 square all to the power 11 times what? 3 cube all to the power 11. Hence, we're going to have what? 2 square, that will be 4, all to the power 11 times what? 3 cube, that is what? 27, all to the power 11. And from principle of indices, you know that a to the power m times b to the power m is equal to a b to the power m. That is automatically. That is automatic actually. Hence we substitute it here. We use the same principle to have what? 4 times 27 or that to the power 11. And 4 times 27 is what? 108. Or that to the power 11. And that is the final answer, which is the simplified form. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel and like, hopefully next video.